back to my channel. Today is the 5th of February 2026 and I am making my very first vision board. Now, do not judge me that I've never had a vision board. I always plan to make it, but January for me always there's always something. It goes by so quick and I end up not making it. I'm like, it's too late, I don't need it, I know what but the saying that says a man with no plan plans to fail. So having no plan is still a plan, but what kind of a plan is it? So I really want to have a properly planned out 2026. I want to be intentional about this year, my plans, my habits, the things that I do. I have a lot of things that I want to add on into my life, and everything else needs to be written down. It needs to be planned. It needs to be pictured out. It needs to be out there for me to see. The first step I took into making my very own vision board was to brain dump. I listed a lot of things. Like literally, okay, how did I do this? I just wrote everything I want to feel like by the end of 2026. I want to look good. I want to look clean and put together. I want to smell good. I want to create my capsule closet this year. I want to be very close to God. My relationship with God matters the most. The more I grow, the more I realize that I desire to be very close to Jesus. And another thing, I want to be healthy, eat healthy, exercise. I want to start strength training this year. Why this year? I don't know, but I'm joining the gym. But I just want to do better in everything that I'm already doing. Okay, first I'm going to cut everything out. Stressful, why? I just wanna say this is so therapeutic. If you've never made a vision board, consider doing it. Woo! Messed it up. My pictures are ready. There's and synopsis. I thought it was, and I'm going to use these. A break. It's giving a picnic. It's giving a picnic. I definitely feel like this is a picnic. I don't know why I'm only doing it now. Okay, I know why I'm only doing it now. I was busy. I just got back from traveling. I was sick. A lot of things were going on, but I'm glad I'm finally doing it. I ordered my favorite, a burger from my favorite place. It's a spicy burger. Fries, perfect color. I am so glad and proud of myself. It's done. Let's see what we have. Okay, I have my verses on different like places. Honestly, the verses are random. They do go with all of these things that are happening here. Everything actually that is happening here actually goes together. And this is quite self-explanatory, I think, honestly. I want you to see this verse. It says, lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Proverbs 10:4. This is for my prayers and this is for my answered prayers. Listen, God answers my prayers all the time. And when I pray for my family's safety, keep my family healthy and safe, and I call them the next morning, we're all healthy and fine. So God answers my prayers all the time. Now that you're done with your vision slash prayer board, whatever you want to call it, it is up to you. Even if you don't have something like this, you can just use Canva to create a mood board, or you can just use Pinterest to create like a mood slash prayer board for your favorite verses, chords, and everything. But after you have all of that, it's not going to magically appear one morning. You eat whatever you want, you do whatever you want. No, how do we get all of this into our daily routine? So you work from the goals that you want to achieve. For example, have a 3-month goal. From a 3-month goal, you're going to have like a monthly goal, right? Then from a monthly goal, you're going to break it into a weekly goal, right? You're going to have like your weekly goals. Then from that, you are going to work on your daily routine. For me to achieve this goal after 7 days or after 6 days, what am I supposed to do? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right. Because if you don't do that, this is just going to be another just decoration. We want to look at it at the end of 2026 and feel proud. Come with me on this journey. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. You push on your side, I'm gonna push on my side. See you next time. Watch the next videos to see how everything unfolds. Love you. Bye. Take care.